Hello everybody, welcome back to Data Tech Info. So in today's class we are going to learn about cells and ranges. So let's begin. Okay, in the last class I have told you what is cell, okay, and what is cell address. Okay, let's rewind that one. Right now I clicked this cell and its cell address is E7 because it is written in the E column and 7th row. Okay, so what is range of cells? Let me tell you. So range of cells is nothing but the cells you have selected in a range. For example, right now from here to I selected these all. Okay, these are the range of cells. So how you name this? This are the name of this range of cells. For example, right now selected these all. So it starts from the active cell, which is I selected the first. That is written in the D column fourth row. So it is a D4 and ended in F7 column. Okay, so I will write it here. For example, D D4 double colon 7. Okay, F7. Okay, so this is the address of cell range whatever selected. You can if you want to select the particular cell range, you can select from here also in a cell address. Okay, I'll just copy this one, I'll paste it here and enter. See here, the select the range of cells has been selected from cell address. Okay, so this is a cell range. And the second thing is right now this doesn't have any border, any table. Let's add a table for this. How can I add a table? Just select all those things, go in insert, sorry, in home tab, go here, you can find here, select all borders, added all the borders. Okay, so this is the regarding cell address. And second thing is, okay, you may ask how to adjust the table. Okay, so right now if you want to expand this, you can select from here also. Just keep the cursor on a column line and drag it. Okay, this is how can you adjust the column. But there is a shortcut if you don't want to do it manually. For example, whatever the model number I have written, those are splitted. Okay, for example, Google Pixel is written in a bottom of the Google. If I want to adjust that one, I just go here, click, double click. Sorry, just a second. Yeah, see here. So right now whatever I written in a box, it's hidden here because see here, iPhone is see, you can just see yes till SC20. Okay, no, not the whole thing. If you can drag this manually to all the things like this, or else what you can do, just go back, take the cursor on a column which you wanted to wider, just double click on it. See here, so this is how can you adjust the column width. Okay, and you can also adjust the row width by going here or dragging the cursor below or up. Okay, this is the one thing regarding adjusting of the columns and cells. Okay, we'll go to the second thing, that is cut copy paste. Okay, you all know what is cut copy paste, but I will just rewind once again. For example, I want to copy this. How can I copy? I have two options. First one is click on the right click on mouse, and you can see there are options regarding cut and copy. What is cut and copy? Copy is nothing but you can copy that cell and paste it wherever you want, but in the original cell the data will be remained. Okay, for example, I will show you. I copied this 9 and I wanted to paste it here. I'll just go right click on table, paste. Okay, I pasted this cell, but the data will be there in a previous cell also. Okay, but but you don't want that to be there in a previous, you just want to vanish that and paste wherever you want. So how can I do? I just do Control Z. Okay, I'll click here, right click, there is option called cut is nothing but it will select the data in that cell and paste it wherever I want, but the data in a previous cell will be vanished. For example, I just press Control, go here, right click, paste. See here, the data is pasted in this cell, but that is vanished in a previous cell. Okay, this is what cut is called. Okay, there are shortcut for this. There is no need to be every time you need to be click on right click. Just use for copy, you can use Control plus C, that will copy, and to paste Control plus V. Okay, and for cut you use Control plus X. Okay, I'll show how. Select this one, Control plus X, come here, Control plus V, paste. Okay, this is what Control plus copy cut copy paste. Okay, there is one more special thing regarding paste. Okay, I'll show what it is. Just go back. Okay, if you want, I'll select this whole thing. Okay, select Control plus copy. See here, there is a tab. There is a option in a home tab. Okay, when you click this, There are multiple options to paste. Right now just I will select this tab to paste. Okay, and go in a paste. See, when I go on this tab, the whole thing will be pasted. When I go here, no border will be pasted. Whatever table I added, just the data will be pasted. Okay, here is a formula number formatting is pasted. I will tell you later what it is. Okay, when you go here, the only values will be pasted when you in this row, and when you come here, okay, only format will be pasted, no the value whatever data is there. Okay, what is format? The whatever border I added, only that will be pasted, not the data. Okay, and in this case only data will be pasted, and sorry, the link, if there is a link in the data, I will tell you what is the link. Okay, if some kind of link is there, that will be pasted in that whatever column, whatever cell you have selected, but not the format. Okay, if you have image in that table, for example, if you, in an iPhone, for example, in the data we have data regarding iPhone 12. Okay, and if you had image of iPhone 12, that will be pasted. Right now I don't have any image, but if there is a image, that will be pasted. Okay, so you get multiple options in a paste options. Okay, so this is regarding copy cut paste. I will just go back. Okay, I hope you understood regarding cut copy paste. Now we'll move to next thing. Okay, okay, the next thing will be special cells. Okay, I'll tell you what is. Just select this whole table. When you go in a home tab, there is option called find and select. There is the option go to special. Okay, what is special cells? Special cell nothing but whenever you have a data, the table or whatever the data you have, there will be some kind of information. Some of it is in a alphabetic way, that is text, and some of the information in a numerical value. Right now I have both text and numeric. But if I want to select just the text, not the numeric, how can I select? Right now shorter data, so it will be easy. It will look some kind of easy thing. But when you have a big data, you can't keep on selecting manually that only the text, only the numerical value. At that time you can use this go to special. Okay, right now I'll show one thing. I'll just select constant, and I'll erase numbers, text. Okay, I will just want text, logic, error. Okay, see here, that only text format data will be selected, not the numerical value. Okay, so this is how the special cell works. Okay, I hope you got what is special cell. We'll move to next topic. Okay, we'll move to next topic, that is find and replace. Okay, for example, right now a small data. So in this case, I will show how can you find and how can you replace. To find and replace, there is a option in home tab. Just go here to find. Okay, for example, if I want to find a number, for example, let's say 24. Okay, if I keep on searching each single time, it will take a lot of time. Okay, so what I will do, I will go in a find and search option, and I'll write whatever I want. I'll do find all. Okay, so it will show me wherever 24 is written with the cell name. Okay, right now it is showing e column fifth row, for example. See here, e column fifth, in a e column fifth row there is 24. Okay, also in a d column ninth row, let's say in a d column ninth row, that is there is 24. Okay, this is how you can find that whatever you want. You can also replace this one. For example, I'll go in a replace option. I want to replace whatever 24 is written with the 34. Okay, I'll just write 34, replace with, and what I will do, I'll go here and I'll say replace all. Okay, done. See here, wherever there is a 24, it is replaced with 34. Okay, this is how can you do with the replace and find and all and replace option. Okay, we'll go to next topic. We'll next go to format painter. There is option called format painter in our home tab. So what is format painter? For example, let's say this cell is written in a some bold letters, for example some bigger or number with bold text. Okay, but I want to have all the data in the same format. So what I will do, I'll just click here, go to format painter. Sorry, you can select format painter through by right clicking the mouse and going to this option. Okay, here it is, or you can just go here also. Okay, I'll just select format painter, and what I will do, the wherever I want to replace that same font, I'll just click on that number. For example, right now I want to do 5 in the same format with the same size and same bold letter. Okay, I'll just click here. See here, so whatever it is, whatever in the format that was in the previous cell, whichever I selected, same thing I got here. It's with the size of 12 and a bold letter. Okay, this is how can you do format painting. I'll just go back. We'll go to next thing. Okay, now we'll go to comment. So what is comment? Let me show you. There is option called comment here in a find and select. Okay, so what is comment is nothing but, for example, right now I have, let me wider this one. Okay, Samsung Galaxy A51. Okay, its sale is 34 units in 2022. Okay, so this is the highest number of sales. So how can I tell? I'll just click on right click here with its number. I'll go here the comment option. Okay, for example, just a second. Where is comment? Sorry, I'm not finding it here. I'll just go here only directly. Okay, go in a comment. Sorry, no sales are. Just select this one. Go in a comment where it is. Inside comment. Sorry. Okay, what I will do, wherever you write some comments, just there will be first your name. Okay, with your login name. Okay, right now it's showing my name. I'll write highest sales. When I click OK, so when I click enter, it's got saved. Okay, so whenever you take your cursor on that cell, it will show what is written. Okay, this is how can you add the comment. If you want to erase the comment, that also you can do just by right clicking on, go on that cell. I will show you once again. Select that cell, right click, and there is option called edit comment, delete comment. You can edit also, you can delete also. Right now I'll delete the comment. Okay, this is how you can save. Okay, this is regarding edit and delete of the comment. Hope you understood. We'll go to next topic. Okay, if you want this data to be in a whole number, for example, right now it's in a two digit. Okay, but I want in a whole number, like if, for example, right now it's a unit sales. Okay, if it's a kind of a rupee, for example, it's a 40 rupee, 50 rupee with the paisa. Okay, so how can we write? For example, if you want that add to two zeros, you can just go here simply. If you want to add increase decimal, you can just click here. See here, 10 is increase, 20 if you want. You just don't want, just go back. Okay, for this these options can be used, and if you want that in a percentage, you can use this. Okay, and this will be converted in a percentage. Okay, so these are the options used. Hope this is for today's class. Hope you enjoyed the session. In a coming classes we see regarding sheets and all, how can you work with the sheets and what all you can do with the sheets. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this class. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.